All right, today I want to give you a little bit of feedback about the Open Seed Vault Survival Garden, their Heirloom seed packets. This is the 32 variety pack. It's got about 15,000 total seeds inside of these. The reason I picked this up is I like to, let's just say, prepare for things and keep stashes of things around just in case essential services are disrupted for some reason. But overall, I'm not a green thumb. I'm not a gardener. I live in a suburban, urban environment, but I was looking for something that I could keep around just in case I needed to pick up and grow something, and that's where this comes in. There are a ton of different easy to grow vegetables into this, your corns, your pumpkins, your squashes, your beans, some things like that. It's got a growing guide with it to allow you to know what to do, and it comes specially packed to prevent any outside contamination. So I'm not even going to open this up, but this is going to go into one of my backpacks for the future. Overall, if you're looking for a good way to stock up, just in case you need something in an emergency to learn to grow, to restart a garden, or to create a garden of food for your own, man, I think this is a great option. This is the Open Seed Vault Heirloom Seeds Survival Pack, their survival garden. Check it out.